If you've ever packed wheel bearings by hand, covered yourself in grease, and still wondered whether the bearing was properly lubricated, you're not alone. I've seen people destroy perfectly good bearings because the grease never reached the critical areas. And when a wheel bearing fails, you're not just looking at an annoying repair, you're looking at potential downtime, expensive replacements, and in some cases, getting stranded on the side of the road. The good news? The right bearing greaser or bearing packer can eliminate that risk. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best wheel bearing grease tools so you can choose the right one, save time, avoid messy mistakes, and keep your bearings protected for the long haul. And before we get started, if you enjoy honest, no BS automotive tool reviews from someone who actually uses this stuff in the garage, hit that subscribe button. I test tools based on real-world practicality, not marketing claims. I've also linked the latest deals in the description below, and if you're working on a specific vehicle, ATV, trailer, or bearing setup, leave a comment and I'll do my best to help. Starting at number 5, we've got the Sedy Premium Bearing Packer Kit. Right out of the box, this feels like a tool designed to make life easier for DE mechanics. The housing is sturdy, the components fit together well, and the design is simple enough that even first-time users can figure it out quickly. Instead of forcing grease into a bearing by hand, this system allows grease to move evenly through the bearing assembly while minimizing waste and mess. In real-world use, this is an excellent option for occasional maintenance work. Here's where this really stands out. Cleanliness. Anyone who's packed bearings by hand knows how messy the process can get. The Sedy significantly reduces grease waste while helping ensure better lubrication coverage. Compared to doing it manually, the difference is huge. The only drawback is that heavy-duty users may eventually want something built for more frequent service intervals. Now the next one solves a problem that many ATV and UTV owners know all too well. At number 4, we've got the SuperADV 44mm wheel bearing greaser for Polaris ATVs and UTVs. This isn't a universal tool, it's purpose-built for specific Polaris applications, and that specialization is exactly what makes it effective. The machined construction feels durable, the fitment is precise, and the design allows you to grease bearings without completely disassembling everything. In real-world use, this tool can save a surprising amount of time. This is what most people don't realize. Mud, water crossings, and harsh trail conditions can quickly shorten bearing life. Being able to refresh grease efficiently helps extend bearing longevity significantly. For Polaris owners, this tool often pays for itself after avoiding just one bearing replacement. The only downside is obvious: it isn't intended for universal automotive use. But now we're moving into tools that work across a much wider range of applications. Coming in at number 3 is the GEARWRENCH Hand Bearing Packer. GEARWRENCH has built a reputation for producing dependable shop tools, and this bearing packer continues that trend. The construction feels durable, the operation is smooth, and the overall design is focused on delivering grease evenly throughout the bearing without excessive effort. Here's where this really stands out in real-world maintenance work: consistency matters. Proper bearing lubrication isn't just about getting grease onto the bearing. It's about forcing grease into every critical cavity. The GEARWRENCH does this exceptionally well. Whether you're servicing trailer bearings, automotive wheel bearings, or other applications, it provides reliable and repeatable results. Compared to cheaper plastic alternatives, the durability difference is immediately noticeable. The only drawback is that it takes up slightly more storage space than some compact designs. Now this next tool fixes a problem many enthusiasts don't even realize exists until they're replacing bearings more often than they should. At number 2, we've got the Gemspeed new 4440mm front-rear wheel bearing greaser tools. This tool is specifically designed to simplify maintenance for compatible off-road and powersports applications. The machined metal construction feels solid, and the precise dimensions help ensure proper grease delivery where it's needed most. Everything about it feels purpose-built rather than generic. In real-world use, this tool shines for riders and enthusiasts who regularly expose their machines to dirt, water, and challenging conditions. Here's what most people don't realize. Contaminated grease is one of the biggest enemies of bearing life. Being able to service bearings efficiently helps reduce wear and extend component longevity. The Gemspeed makes the process quick and convenient, encouraging regular maintenance instead of postponing it. The only drawback is that compatibility should always be verified before purchase. And now we've reached number 1. Taking the top spot is the Lisle 34550 hand bearing packer. If you've spent any time around professional mechanics, you've probably seen LISL tools in a shop. There's a reason for that. The design is simple, proven, and extremely effective. The durable construction feels like it can survive years of use, and the operation is straightforward enough that both beginners and experienced technicians can get excellent results. In real-world use, this tool consistently delivers professional quality bearing packing. Here's where this really stands out. Efficiency. It forces grease completely through the bearing while minimizing waste and mess. This is what most people don't realize. Proper lubrication isn't just about adding grease. It's about ensuring every roller and cavity receives fresh lubricant. The LISL excels at that task. Compared to hand packing methods, it produces cleaner, faster, and more consistent results every single time. The only drawback is that it's slightly more expensive than some budget alternatives, but the durability and performance easily justify the investment. Let's be honest. Wheel bearings aren't something most people think about until they fail. But when they do fail, the repair bill can quickly become much larger than expected. That's why proper lubrication matters. At the end of the day, the best wheel bearing grease tool depends on your needs. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use bearing packer, the Sedy is a solid choice. Polaris owners will appreciate the dedicated design of the SuperATV. The GEARWRENCH delivers excellent durability and consistent performance for general maintenance work. The Gemspeed is a fantastic option for compatible off-road applications. But if you want the best overall combination of reliability, efficiency, ease of use, and long-term value, the LISL 34550 earns the #1 spot. A quality bearing greaser doesn't just make maintenance easier, it helps protect expensive components, reduces downtime, and gives you confidence that the job was done correctly. And once you've used a proper bearing packer, you'll never want to go back to hand packing grease again. If you found this review helpful, subscribe for more real-world automotive tool reviews and maintenance guides. Check the description for the latest deals on all 5 products and leave a comment below if you're servicing a specific vehicle or bearing setup. You now know more than 90% of buyers before they spend their money. Go make the right choice.